No. I'm not trying to look at you. I'm trying to look at that beautiful mountain over there. Hi, doggers. Hold on. I'm not getting a good view. Give me a second. Hey, doggers. How's it going? Oh, we're getting sideways on us again. We are in Hillbilly Buckland.
No. Tell them where we are.
We're at Twin Lakes. We're in Twin Lakes. Mammoth Lakes. Out here in the Mammoth Lakes. We're just cruising around. Doing a couple burnouts. I might get an ice cream right now.
I want an ice cream.
Ice cream. I'm still filming. God.
Good morning, vloggers.
I need a drink.
It's like 5:30 in the morning, and where are we headed?
I need a drink.
To Mammoth, because Brett has a national race for dirt biking, and it's like super early right now, and we're all getting in the car to go. Clearly, we have way too much stuff, and we have the van. I need to go get it. And we're going to get a drink, so I will see you guys there.
Alright, update. Maddie Hannenberg in the woods. Tory birches are taking a beating. She is not happy about it.
I'm not even gonna use a trash. Yeah. What are you gonna get, Chancho?
I can't get anything.
Why?
Sponsors are gonna drop me.
Oh my gosh.
Gotta watch us wait for the race.
What are you gonna rip, Mom?
Going 2 scoop peanut butter chunk.
That's out of control.
Extra peanut butter. Extra chunky.
Extra chunky.
Good morning, everybody. So, I am vlogging. My mom okay, this is the second time in a vlog that you guys have witnessed. Oh my god, there's no brakes on this thing?
Yeah, I'm in the way.
Oh god.
Going to the track.
We're going mountain bike riding today. For those of you that really know me, I am not an outdoorsy type of gal. I don't really know how to ride a mountain bike. So, you're in for a treat today. Little update on the mountain bike ride.
Woo! Having a blast.
Everyone left us. Not very athletic.
Nope.
Chest hurts.
Drank all night last night.
Can't breathe.
Hey.
Had a large quesadilla for dinner. I think at this point I'm just gonna call it Uber. At this point, we've just
Day 3, about 12 o'clock. Looks like from the sun.
We're lost. They ditched us.
Gone. Saw 2 bears.
2 bears.
3 deers.
3 deers. I'm done, I quit.
No water, we have about...
Good morning, everybody. Today is day 1 of race day at the track. We just got here, it's like 7:30. Races start at 8. I know I haven't like vlogged much of like anything so far, but sorry, it's kind of been like a crazy little week here. But my dad and brother had to wake up this morning at 2 o'clock and come to the track just to like get in line and everything. And here's all their like bedding, like it's nuts. But we're ready for racing. I'm rooting for you, Brett. Love you, little buddy. Is it out there?
Pretty good.
Is it ready? Fresh?
Yep.
What are we doing?
ripping horses.
Yeah, my top of the. Get the freaking video out of my.
I need a grill.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh boy.
Straight to the face, dude.
Hey. Hello everyone, I'm obviously not in Mammoth anymore because I'm in my room, and for those of you that watch my vlogs, you'll know that I'm home, which is, this is really stupid after. I'm sorry, but I'm really over it. On my way home, I got pulled over. This is the second time I've got pulled over like in the past like 3 months, so I'm just really tired and I'm ready to sleep. And yeah, thanks you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.